The Court of Appeal judgment has intensified the leadership tussle within the PDP, further exposing deep division within the party's national structure. While the Wike-aligned camp has welcomed the Court of Appeal decision as a validation of its position, the Turaki faction insists that the legal battle is far from over, maintaining that the matter will ultimately be decided by the Supreme Court.
Senator Bukola Saraki advised that the Ibadan Convention should be suspended, and it was those people then that set up a reconciliation committee, and part of the report of the committee was that a caretaker committee should be set up.
We're taking consultative steps. We are doing consultation, legal consultations, political consultation, social consultation. We are bringing an entire gamut of arbitrative strategies on board. We are speaking with different organs of our party. We're exploring what the law says. And we're also clearly talking as human beings who are affected by issues. We're taking on board the interest of the millions of Nigerians who are willing to run on the platform of the PDP.
But the timeline for the Apex Court hearing and final judgment remains uncertain. The uncertainty has raised concern among party stakeholders about the PDP readiness for upcoming election, particularly its ability to conduct primaries and present valid candidates in line with the provisions of Nigeria Electoral Act. Political observers warn that if the Supreme Court ruling does not come before the party's scheduled primaries, the lingering leadership dispute could complicate the PDP preparations for further polls.
One of the two governors, one is going to party on this side, another person is romancing another party at this side, even though he's facing issues, they are not accepting him, and he's also looking at going to a new party entirely. I won't mention name, but I know that even the remaining two, one is one leg in APC.
If the legal battles prolong well into the INEC timetable, then you have no option than to, if you don't meet up the requirements, then you won't be able to be on the ballot. So yes, it's an emphatic yes that it can.
The PDP crisis had climaxed on November 25, 2025, when the outgoing Umar Damagun camp, with the support of 4 PDP governors, conducted a national convention in defiance of 2 separate federal high courts orders. The convention, which produced a neo-national working committee led by the neo-national chairman Kabiru Turaki, resulted in expulsion of FCT Minister Nyesom Wike, Samuel Anyanwu, Kamaldeen Ajibade's son, former Ekiti State Governor Ayo Fayoshi, Austin Nwachukwu, and several others for alleged anti-party activities. But the Wike bloc also made a counter-expulsion, announcing the expulsion of Governor Seyi Makinde, Oyo, Bala Muhammad Bauchi, and Dauda Lawal Samfara. PDP Board of Trustee Chairman Adolphus Wabara, former National Vice Chairman Body George, and Turaki. Despite the legal and political tension, party loyalists remain hopeful that the crisis will be resolved in time to stabilize the party. Analysts say the outcome at the Supreme Court could determine not only the legitimacy of the party leadership, but also whether the PDP can effectively reorganize and field candidates in the forthcoming 2027 general elections. Once Nigeria's most dominant political force, the People's Democratic Party has seen its grip on power steadily weakened amid internal crisis, leadership battles, and mass defection that have reshaped the country's political landscape. Abidemi Sikiru, Arise News.